I died when I was 11. My mom and I were living in Alaska. I remember thinking rather calmly, I'm about to... there are a lot of theories about who rescued me. Not that I know. I heard that she had a daughter. Some say that it was me, that I punched my way through the ice, crawled my way out. But I'm not sure. Maybe I never made it out of there at all. Maybe I've been a ghost all of these years. And that would make sense. Because that's something I've been working on. What can't you ring? I think.
I mean, that's a good thing, right? Like the great Sean Boyd. Hey, Alaska.
Hi.
So you still writing?
Oh, yeah. You still working at Trumpeter?
No. Engineer now. Remember I was in grad school at UW? I mean, not that small. We just opened a second office in LA.
Wow. You know what a 360 area code is, do you?
Merit, I think? Yeah, do you want me to help you out?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, really though.
Okay.
What? Hey. Thank you so much. Really.
Yeah, here. Keep it.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, I've got more. And you got my number, right? So, call. If you, need anything.
What do you say? What do you say, Matt? You want to say goodbye? You want to say thank you?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, wow! So strong! Strong! Yeah? Here's another time you can shove it up your ass. Alex. Who? Alex.
Oh, you. The diaper kid. Don't bring that kid in here.
Look,
I can explain too. Value means ignore. Who ran like the phone?
I got into a car accident.
Sure you did.
No, I really did. I got into a car accident on Route 20 and I totaled my car. The photo right here.
Wait, is that your car? Can't collect it. But I still can't pay you if that's why you're here.
I had an emergency.
She doesn't give a shit. All she knows is you didn't come back. I don't get paid, and you don't get paid.
I came back from Rwanda. I busted my ass for 3 hours straight. I didn't stop
Close the time.
Are you sure there's not any other shift that you have left open?
Do you have an attorney at this time, or can we speak directly?
I'm sorry, who is this?
I'm Mr. Boyd's attorney, ma'am. I'm calling to notify you that Mr. Boyd has filed an emergency petition with the family court of Ludlow County to have his child, Matty Boyd, returned to his custodial care immediately. And court has